were struggling with getting offers, like someone to actually, it was an ISA, they're sending people text messages and they're like, yeah, I'm just not getting the response that I'm looking for. So we pull up their text response and I'm like, this text sucks. It sucks.
Right.
Like you wouldn't respond to this. I was like, if you were buying a home, take yourself out of this, of the home buying process and you being a real estate agent and everything else. I'm like, if you were buying a car and you said, hey, I got cars. Are you interested in buying a car in the next few months? Would you respond to that? And they're like, no. I'm like, so no one's responding to you. Of course they're not. So what will they respond to? Hey, would you like to see homes that are not on the market, not on Zillow, Realtor.com, Redfin? Use verbiage that they already know and use right now today. Those are the top 3 search sites when it comes to buying houses. Hey, would you like to see homes that are not on that? Because I have homes that are not on that. Hey, in fact, more and more homes are getting sold off of those places. Like my open house that just occurred, 2 of those homes were not on there. And now you have actual proof showing that. So I really like that one, especially just sitting down with people who are giving really crappy offers to the leads that they're currently getting inbound. So Nancy's getting inbound leads and hitting them up with the proper form right here, which is going to be what they really want. No surprise, what buyers want. Buyers want houses. So no, it's really good. I just wanted to hit on that just because I had a couple issues just recently with someone not putting proper offers. So that's really good.
Yeah, again, making it dummy proof, taking that out. It's amazing. The home evaluation, of course, is would you like to know what your house would sell in today's market? Obviously, we're going to include tips and tricks, that whole, we abbreviated it and talked about getting the most money for your home. And that offer goes out if they are a sell first prospect, just the same way we would do it if someone was on the phone with them. But I know that the offer is coming away around the way I want it specifically said, because we crafted it, right? And we crafted it with the script. It's perfect. And then the market watch, if these are just nosy neighbors, curious people, I'm in the market in a year plus, they're going to get our market watch offer and they're going to get that immediately.
Perfect.
So this system for us helps dummy proof it. And it just took what we were doing. And my top agents honestly were calling all the time. But when you have 6 open houses and you have 3 top agents, and then others are out in the field, and you need to bring in people that are, they're good, but they're not as good as they are going to be. We all have those people in our office. Let's dummy proof it as much as we can without me looking over their shoulder, which is what I was kind of doing every evening. Did you call them yet on Sunday? Send me your numbers. So now I have this completely automated for me, and it has been a game changer for me. It's very exciting. And then the remarketing pixel that gets picked up with the digital property brochure, I'm out working on crafting what's going to happen from that next point on.
Has Nancy been able to quantify the number of closings from last year from this system?
Yeah, so the actual number, I'd have to go back and look. So last year was our first slightly down year. We sold just under 300 homes. We were selling just about 400, right? And so this has always been my number 1 or number 2 closing piece. So if I'm looking at 13% or 14% of my closings come from open houses.
So of the 300, roughly about 13%.
Yeah.
Pretty darn good.
Yeah.
Pretty darn good.
Yeah, especially for the amount of money I'm spending on it. You look at the ROI and it's tremendous.
Yeah, I mean, for only 30 something houses, 30 something plus houses on that.
Yeah,
it's good. And you said you had a slightly down year, Nancy. I got something for you on this next time. How far down is in sales? Because we talked about this a lot on the titanium webinar yesterday. Yeah. But I've had a lot of platinum members really beat themselves up over this. I'm down, or my business is the same. It's not growing and expanding. And I'm like, but what's your sales doing? Like, what's your sales doing? Like, your sales are down by like 40%. I mean, we had people on the chat yesterday, like we had ranged from 20%, I believe, all the way up to 60% is basically the numbers that we saw. And I'm like, what's your marketplace doing? Quit beating yourself up all the time. I get it. For those of you guys that are just crushing yourself right now, I'm like, look, if Nancy's only down by 5%, but her market is down by 30%, that's pretty darn good.
The only people selling more homes on my market is D.R. Horton, because they have so much new construction. They're the only ones selling more than me in this marketplace.